Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two, and I'm going to do it MacKenzie Childs inspired. So these beautiful placemats, I got those at Hobby Lobby. So this video is a part of a collaboration called TABLESCAPE Tuesdays. TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it is my favorite time of the week. So the host of TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's myself. Hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. All right, so those black chargers did come from Hobby Lobby as well. Now, the dishware did come from the Goodwill. Now, I'm absolutely loving the dishware, but especially that salad plate. The salad plate already has those beautiful sunflowers. I am loving it. So now the wine glasses did come from the Dollar Tree, and the water glasses, they were thrifted from the Goodwill as well. Now the napkins I thrifted also from the Goodwill, and then the napkin rings did come from Party City. Now the flatware that did come from Walmart. So I forgot to mention that we have no guests. It is freestyle. am lighting the candle. We're heading on over to the reveal, guys. Now the floral arrangement, all of those florals, the greenery, that came from the Dollar Tree. The yellow flowers, that came from Michael's, and the vase was thrifted. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.